Good morning, Gunners. Good afternoon, good evening. I know I look like sleep. I've been up since 6. It's 8:30, but somehow, some way, I probably look like sleep. It's all good. I'll take it. Heading to Tri-State. Jesus, I'm always heading to Tri-State, right? Heading to Sasong right now. Oh, it's a cop right here. Oh, please. You didn't see that. Alright, heading to Sasong Auto Body right now, and I am going to see how the final product looks on what we saw in the last vlog. So I'll be there in a jiffy. How'd you guys like my editing on the last vlog? I think I'm getting better and better, man. Let me know in the comments. How'd you like the editing? Am I getting sharper? What do I need to work on? I don't know. Let's kick this day off. Alright now. Alright guys. Alright guys. Alright. Alright, so Alright guys. Yep, alright guys. Alright, so okay boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
You guys got the stuff? Let's go. Best body shop in the world, boys. Best body shop in the world. No doubt about it. Fred Dog.
Sparky.
Big juice. Oh man.
Yes.
So that's it.
Yes.
Finished, right? You know what I wanted to tell you? I'm getting really tired of people that don't know shit commenting. I'm building the car, right? From scratch. It's coming out of a body shop straight to the garage. No sanding, no polishing, no compounding, no nothing, no detailing. And everybody's like, oh man, look at the orange peel.
Yeah.
Every car
comes out like that.
Yes.
Even from factory.
Bear with me.
Yeah.
Guys, hold on, man. Let me get the car together. Let me finish it before you start ripping apart the paint job. Look, I still have to sand all of this.
You could have a car that came out straight from the dealer, straight from the factory. And especially like the American cars like Chevy, Fords, and their orange peel is thick. And we have to sand it down from 1,500 to 3,000 to get rid of that.
Exactly. And I just, man, these people, man, some people just don't know what to say and when to say it. When the car is done and it's sitting outside, and if it has it, and if the paint job looks bad, I think that's when you should talk.
Then you criticize.
Then you criticize. But
them.
wait for me to freaking. I gotta control the cursing. Yeah. You know what I mean? I'm trying to do good on YouTube. Just wait for me to finish, man. Jesus Christ. Done. Beautiful. So I'm thinking today, maybe have Freddie, if you guys got free time, pick up Kobe, bring him here. Maybe me, Trap, and whoever. We got to figure out the time. Maybe put the panels on with maybe a few bolts, so that when I transport it over the Spoon, I don't have these parts laying around inside the trailer.
Like we said, we could just hang them.
Yeah, just hang them. Maybe 1 or 2 bolts on everything. Yeah. Get them on the hinges. The back bumper, I don't even need. The back bumper can stay here because I can take care of that at the garage. He doesn't need the back bumper.
He'll need the fenders, right?
He'll need the fenders, the doors, and the front bumper. I don't even need the tailgate. I can take care of on my own. So, killer job, man. Y56. They don't do much yellow in this garage. In this shop, they have like a personal thing with it. So they said, Aki, you know.
And also what they gotta understand. Look at the orange peel on the fender, which is metal. And look on plastic. Nothing. And we haven't even sanded it yet.
Yeah.
We haven't even sanded it yet.
Nah, I want them to understand.
Yeah.
It's, you know what it is, Zeus? It's just people talk prematurely.
Yeah.
They've already got it figured out. They already know. Guys, I still have to sand this entire car. 1,500.
1,500 you start from. And then break it down, go down to 2,000, 2,500, and then 3,000 tries that.
So basically a full day of just resanding and polishing, and Sugar's going to take care of it in that. Oh, man. You know what? Sometimes I just got to lay the law down, my boy. Sometimes I got to lay the law down.
The car was never painted.
Ever.
Straight from the factory.
And it still needs some sanding.
The girl orange. Yeah. From factory.
Yep. and it still needs sanding.
Yeah.
Yeah, you could see it along the door.
Yeah.
I mean, some people, bro, I'm telling you, I know I'm beating up this subject, Gunners, and I really apologize for beating up this subject. But some of these comments are so inappropriate. Guys, wait for me to finish before you criticize me, man. Or criticize a body shop. Like, we haven't even sanded the... Man, I'm done. I'm not talking about it no more. Back at the garage, Gunners. Man, I am running around right now like a chicken without my head. So, pause. I've got to sand and paint these hinges. I want them to be black, just like we had right here. And I think that's going to look much better than, you know, all yellow, or obviously not this ugly silver that it came in. So I'm going to sand and prep these. The tow truck is supposed to be here at around 2 p.m. We're going to tow this car to the body shop and start putting on the body pieces so that, you know, nothing gets scratched when we go to deliver it to Spoon. So just bear with me. I'm going to start sanding. I'm going to start painting. And... whoa, I'm gonna start gunning. Got my guys baking over here. Got the fan going. I moved them from the back to over here. Pause. But they look great in trim black, man. That is gonna look so good against that yellow. I found my factory bolts. Most likely, I'm definitely gonna swap those out. I think I'm gonna call Downstar and see if Frank makes those with the purple washer. That would be sick. We can get them on the actual chassis and the door, so when you open the door, you'll see the transition of yellow, black, and then back, and then... ah, you get it! Oh my God, you guys gotta see this. Yeah, those bolts are hideous right now, but if I get them brand new and zinced, or in that purple, it's game over. Oh yeah. What do you guys think, man? Talk to me about these hinges. I know it's a simple thing, but... wow. I know that the tow truck's coming soon to pick up Kobe, so I really don't got much to do except for wait for them. So I'm gonna grab the ECU out of Project Driver, plug it into here, and maybe leave it across the street so when he backs in, we can just pull it right into the flatbed and head over to the body shop. But I'm about to drive Kobe for the first time. It may only be, I don't know, 20-30 feet, but here we go. Well, he's outside. I think I'm having a problem keeping this car on with this computer because of the TPS, honestly. So I don't think I'm going to keep turning it on anymore. So I'm going to snatch my K-Pro out of there, put it back into Project Driver, and I'm just going to wait for my AEM to get here, and then Jamie will give me a nice base map. And that's it. I think I'm going to have to put one more holder on this too. Maybe right here. Keep it closer and keep this line straight, because those fuel pumps are so strong it started to push the line out. So maybe put another holder right there. I have more inside. I'll probably put that on right now. But man, it came such a long way, man. So grateful for you guys helping me, man. Put that clamp on. Wow, made a world of a difference. Definitely works cleaner. Put it right there. Oh, the camera's weird. Oh man, just waiting for the tow truck. Project Driver will be out next week. I just did a quick maintenance on it, oil change. I checked the I had a little valve cover leak and it was dripping down from there, so I changed the valve cover gasket. Project Driver, yeah, we start driving next week, man. I got plates. My man. I don't know why he told me to turn the camera on. What you got?
Just want to say I'm proud of you and your work, and you do nice work.
My man.
I'm glad to see that, you know, gunner's gonna gun, and that's what's up, son.
That's what's up. Hey, tell them the rumor here about yellow cars.
I'm not a fan, but you know, it's growing on me. It's sort of like a, kind of like a fungus. I'm not a fan, but, you know. Hey, it's not for me. It's not my style.
Man.
But I give it respect. The motherfucker looks good.
Thank you.
The wrong color for me.
I got you. It's sitting pretty over here right now, though.
It definitely looks fucking, you know, looks sharp.
So unfortunately, guys, today's Friday. Carlito and his son have went home. I don't really want to be responsible for scratching anything. We're gonna let that cure and dry a little bit longer, and then they're gonna get on it. I think first thing Monday morning, and they're just basically going to set up, you know, the bumpers, the doors, and that's about it. And the fenders, most importantly. But the back bumper most likely will stay here, or I'll take it to the garage. They don't need it. Well, Spoon doesn't need it. It's gonna need the front bumper, doors, fenders. The trunk lid will stay here. Line it up.
Put a little old school flavor on the camera.
Oh no,
Let
I
these
seen the
guys see what's
two-tone.
up.
I seen the two-tone.
That's more my style.
This is you. They didn't see the Nomad yet.
No,
I think it went in on a vlog. The Nomad went in on a vlog. Yeah, it did. You guys got to see.
We're doing this car for a customer, an older guy who's into the, you know, the vintage scene, and he wants his shit right. So check out under the hood too.
Look at this, man. Two-tone. What is this? A 58? Yep, it's a 58.
58 Yeoman wagon.
58 Yeoman wagon. Check this out.
54, big block, air conditioning, turbo 400 tranny. This car holds the mail, and looks pretty doing it.
I tell you one thing, brother. Brian killed this paint job, this two-tone. Brian killed this. They did this here. Honestly, this car is so long. It took about a day just for sheeting and polish it. But again, when we're talking about, you know, the peel, you know, it's still got to go through this process right here. But this car is phenomenal, man. Check this paint job out.
What's in the back shop?
Everything lines up, closes beautiful. This reminds me of Ghostbusters. Check me out. I'm gonna miss Kobe at the garage, I'll tell you that much. But I know it's in good hands, guys. Look how far we've came, man. Look how far we've came, boys. And girls, and gunners, and gunner women. I love y'all too. Well, gunners, I'm out of here. Our next video, you'll see us heading over to Spoon. I think Trappy is heading down to Texas to help the shop, Houston and Mackie and Lefty and all those guys. I wish him safe travels. I love him. Can't be here without him. And I'm probably gonna ask Vicky to take the day off to help me load the car, unload the car and stuff like that. But yeah, we're almost there, guys. We're almost to the point where we're driving. We're almost to the point where we're just enjoying the car and enjoying all this hard work we've been doing together. So I love you all, man. Like, comment, subscribe.